Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the chart type in Forex. To change the chart type in Forex trading platform, first of all, open up your forex.com application on your mobile device. Make sure that you're logged into your account as well. Once you're inside the home page, go ahead and tap on the account button at the bottom right corner. Within the account menu, tap on Settings. Now from the Settings menu, click on Chart Settings. Under Default Settings, tap on Chart Type. Select your preferred chart type from the available options, where you will be able to see candles, line, Renko, area, etc. Choose the type of chart you'd like to use. And after you make the selection, get back to the home page. Right after you make these changes, you will then be able to change your chart type in forex.com mobile app. I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Trading for Beginners for more tutorials like this. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.